In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a background audio player to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging in to your GoDaddy account and opening your website builder dashboard. From there, select the website that you want to edit. Once you are inside the dashboard for that site, click Edit Website to open the website editor. After the editor loads, go to the specific page where you want the background audio player to appear. This is important because you need to place the player on the exact page where visitors will use it. If the page does not already have a suitable area for custom content, click Add Section. Then choose a section that supports embedded content. This gives you a place to insert the audio player code into your layout. Next, look for an HTML section or an embed section in the website editor. If your version of GoDaddy Website Builder includes one of these options, add it to the page. This is the area that will allow you to place custom embed code for the audio player. Now paste your audio player embed code into the embed field. Make sure the code is complete and formatted correctly so the player can load as expected on the page. After pasting the code, save the embedded audio player to confirm the changes. Once the player has been added, adjust its position on the page. You can move it to the area that works best with your design. If the editor allows resizing, resize the player so it fits neatly into the section without disrupting the rest of the content. When everything is in place, click Preview to test the page. Check that the background audio player appears properly and that it functions the way you expect. This is the best time to make small layout or placement changes before publishing the page. If the player looks correct and works properly in preview mode, click Publish to make the update live on your website. Your visitors will then be able to access the embedded audio player on that page. Keep in mind that some GoDaddy website editor versions may have limited support for custom HTML or embedded media, so the available options can vary slightly depending on your plan or editor version. If the embed or HTML section is available, the process is usually quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.